Lord, and I believe he's doing it in the lives of all of us. And I want to share with you what God has given me. I'm going to be speaking out of the book of Joshua. If you're visiting for the first time, it is our custom to stand for the reading of the word. I'm in Joshua 2.
finally feeling like a human again, because I was so hungry and hangry. But as you can see, you should have already seen that I had something to eat. I'm basically cutting out my carbs and trying to get in my workout fit mode again. Excuse me. So I basically made a little bit of fish soup. Not big serving, not a huge serving, because I always feel like I have to throw some out after a few days. So I made just enough. Whoever wants some, they can have, but for the most part I can eat all of that. Then I made I fried one of the red snappers. I'm about to go downstairs because I actually have to dang, what do I have to do? I have to go downstairs for something. But I wanted to show you guys the basement. I'm gonna input how the basement looked before, which I hope I have. But basically right now, Babe is trying to basically gut the whole thing and make it a smoother look. The previous owners for the house, you can tell it was a quick, let's get this basement done kind of. The paint was all crazy, and you know, he wants to go ahead and put recessed lights and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go downstairs real quick to show you guys, and while I'm down there, hopefully I remember what I needed to go down there for. But yeah, let's go. So there's no wall on either side, here or here, which there was. The basement should be the same size as the whole house. This was the unfinished part. As you can see, this is how it was before. Hopefully it's not too dark. That's all our stuff that we're packing away or whatever. And then normally it's a wall here, so you wouldn't be able to see. Then there was a wall here as well. He took that down. We just want everything to be open. My battery's about to die. Then there was a wall here as well. He took that down. So it's basically like, then he took all the sheetrock out of the ceiling and basically gonna rewire everything, because he is an electrician by trade. And we have to find somewhere to put. So this is our refrigerator, which I have some extra stuff in here, and I came down here for something, but yeah, I can't think of it right now. But this is our basement, and I can't wait till it's done. Some, you know, whole bunch of stuff. Recycle. Yep, I just tripped, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go before my battery die, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so we are in the backyard. Babe is home from work, and we've been planning on taking down this place that the previous owners had, and it's really super duper old. Our kids aren't toddlers, so we don't need it. And because it's so old, we do not want to donate it, not knowing the what is it called? Like the stability of it, I guess. And since we have the dumpster, we're gonna take advantage to break it down and put it in the dumpster before they come pick up the dumpster tomorrow. So, babe, say hi to the camera. Say hi to YouTube. So we're gonna saw this sucker down so we can go ahead and toss it. Some burgers while I made myself some green juice. So I recorded doing my juice and it wasn't recording, and it's already done. So in my juice, okay, so I recorded doing my juice. Just found out by looking back on the video that it wasn't recording. So I did that without recording. So I'll do it in another video. But in mine I have spinach, ginger, banana, papaya, and orange juice. So being that I missed it this morning after my workout, I'm doing it now, and it's now 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna have this, and then if I get hungry later on, I'll have my soup. But I made the 2 burgers for Babe for his dinner or pre-dinner, I don't know. So he usually likes some mayo.